Dana Osgood is here with a full look at the forecast. Dana, we have been so fortunate all summer long with great weather, and today was no exception.
I know, compared to last summer, like we don't even talk about last summer. This summer has been spectacular. It was pretty warm earlier in the summer, especially kind of back in June and July. Recently, it's been on the cooler side, and kind of the next 2 days, kind of no different. Same as going into next week. We're starting to feel fall encroaching on the summer, but today was still beautiful. It was still gorgeous. These are our high temperatures out there today, so it's cooler than average because of an area of high pressure that moved in from Canada. Our average high temperature is 77, and a lot of us today got into the upper 60s to lower 70s, but the dew point temperatures deserve a round of applause. We're really in that kind of refreshing, feeling almost crisp out there because our dew point temperatures are only in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Very, very nice out there. And another thing that's very nice is the fact that our visible satellite imagery did not pick up on any cloud cover today, not even cumulus clouds as we got into the afternoon. So that means we have a very stable atmosphere out there because of that area of high pressure, something that will continue into the day tomorrow as well. So overnight tonight, low dew points and mostly clear skies, as well as almost no wind, is a great recipe for our low temperatures dropping pretty low. In fact, for a lot of us, it'll be one of the coolest nights since the springtime. So a lot of us low temperatures will be getting into the upper 40s to low 50s. And then another just gorgeous day out there tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine, dew points will still be very refreshing, high temps in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Overall, just a really great kind of September feeling day. But then things are going to be changing as we get into the holiday weekend. Starting out the day on Saturday with a little bit of fog and some more cloud cover around, and then we're going to be having a cold front that'll be approaching from the north. So I think the first half of Saturday looks okay, but then we're starting to see some of that shower activity, some embedded thunderstorms here too, moving into the mountains kind of right after lunchtime, and this front will continue to move across the state Saturday evening into early Sunday morning. We could see some pockets of heavier rain here that could cause some areas of localized flooding, particularly in areas that are pretty prone to it. And then as we get into early Sunday morning, going to continue to see some of those showers, especially along the immediate coastline and through down East Maine. Now, I think most of the heavy rain is going to move offshore kind of in the first half of the day on Sunday, but I'm not totally sold about us clearing out by the end of the day. I think overall we'll see less heavy rain in the second half of Sunday, but it's not going to be completely clear because of a trough that comes through after the cold front. The good news is, though, is that the rest of the rain showers will move out of our area Sunday evening, and Monday looks like a really nice day. A mix of sun and clouds, a little on the cool side, but also a little bit breezy. So let's kind of break this down for our Labor Day weekend. So overall, Saturday, I think the first half of the day looks pretty good, and then we have that cold front moving in, which will last Saturday afternoon through the beginning of Sunday. Some afternoon showers hang out in the second half of the day on Sunday, but it won't be a washout there. And then a little bit nicer for Monday now. We don't have that shower chance anymore, but it is going to be a bit cooler and a bit breezy as we get into the afternoon there. Seas 1 to 2 feet, ocean temp 65. So overall 7-day forecast I think looks pretty good. I know the holiday weekend is not really where we want to see those rain chances, but guys, it's the way the cookie crumbles for this week. If you want a little bit of a last taste of summer though, it'll start to get humid over the weekend, especially on Sunday before that cold front finishes pushing through. And then as we get into next week, it's going to be kind of that approaching fall-like feel once again. It's almost September. You can't escape it.
No, you can't. It's here. It's coming.
Thanks, Dana.